In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emoji on WhatsApp Web. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to go to the web version. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a large QR code on the page and a prompt to link your account. This page is designed to mirror your existing WhatsApp on desktop, so once you're signed in, your chats will appear just like they do on your phone. When the QR code appears, use the same WhatsApp account that's already on your mobile device to link. Open WhatsApp on your phone and use its built-in option to scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. In some regions, you may see an alternative option to log in with your phone number and a one-time code. If that's available to you, follow the on-screen prompts. After you authenticate, your conversations will load on the web, and you're ready to go. Now, pick any chat. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the message input box. Just to the left of that box is the emoji icon. It looks like a small smiley face. Click that icon to open the emoji panel. This panel is where you'll find every emoji you can use in your messages. Inside the panel, you can browse through categories to explore different themes, like faces, gestures, or symbols. If you already know what you want, head straight to the search bar at the top of the panel. Type a simple word, such as heart, smile, party, or thumbs, and matching emoji will appear instantly. Click any emoji to insert it into your message. You can add more than one, mix them with text, and even build short reactions or sequences. When you're happy with your message, send it as usual. If you prefer keyboard navigation, there's a helpful shortcut. While you're in a chat, press Shift+Tab to move focus backward through the controls until the emoji icon is highlighted. Once it's highlighted, press Enter to open the emoji panel without using your mouse. From there, you can type to search right away or use the arrow keys to navigate suggestions and press Enter to insert an emoji. That's it. Open WhatsApp Web in your browser, link your account, click the emoji icon to the left of the message box, browse or search for what you need, and, if you like, use the Shift+Tab and Enter shortcut to work even faster. With these steps, adding the perfect emoji to your conversations on WhatsApp Web is quick, clear, and effortless.